the right way to sleep during pregnancy. Having a happy, relaxed night during pregnancy is not easy. On top of this, there is another nighttime trouble: figuring out which position is the safest for sleeping. Here's a little help. Why sleeping can be difficult. The first and most pressing reason behind sleep problems during pregnancy is the increasing size of the fetus, which can make it hard to find a comfortable sleeping position. If you've always been a back or stomach sleeper, you might have trouble getting used to sleeping on your side, as doctors recommend. Also, shifting around in bed becomes more difficult as the pregnancy progresses and your size increases. Sleeping on your back. Once you're into the second trimester though, you'll need to avoid sleeping on your back. When you lie on your back, your uterus puts pressure on the vein that returns blood to your heart. If you lie in this position for long periods, this could restrict the amount of blood and nutrients that reach your placenta and baby. It could also leave you feeling dizzy and nauseous. Sleeping on your right. Lying on your right hand side is much better than sleeping on your back during the later stages of pregnancy, but is still not as good as sleeping on your left. This is because sleeping on your right hand side can put pressure on your liver, which most doctors would prefer you to avoid. Sleeping on your left. Doctors and midwives recommend sleeping on your left hand side. This position prevents the heavy uterus putting pressure on your liver and continues to allow the baby to receive the right amount of nutrients and oxygen through the placenta. In fact, not only does this position not restrict blood flow, it actually improves circulation, which means your body won't have to work as hard to ensure you have optimal blood flow for you and your baby. As per a research, a study in Auckland, New Zealand found that sleeping on the left-hand side on the last night of pregnancy halved the risk of stillbirth. Since you don't usually know when your last night of pregnancy will be, it's best to sleep on your left-hand side during the later stages of pregnancy, just in case. Keep hydrated. Drink more water, fresh juices and coconut water early in the day, but less in the evening. This helps reduce bathroom visits in the middle of the night and you can get more sleep. Also, cut down on drinks and food that contain caffeine, such as coffee, tea, soda and chocolate. Avoid them entirely in the afternoon and evening. Avoid heavy meals. Eating a big meal and spicy foods such as chili and acidic foods such as tomato stew close to bedtime can cause heartburn and indigestion. If you suffer heartburn, eat lighter meals and eat them earlier. Practice relaxation. You can use sleep-inducing techniques such as guided imagery, deep breathing, or progressive muscle relaxation to keep calm. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.